So look, you want to get into podcasting, or you want to start a YouTube channel, you're trying to get into live streaming, or you just want to create content and you're trying to figure out what's the best microphone for you to buy right now. So you know what you're going to do? You're going to get the Shure SM7B. Okay, so you hop over on YouTube and you say, okay, I don't want the Joe Rogan mic. What is the other mic I can get? Yo, I'll get the baby Shure SM7B and I'll get the Shure MV7. Wrong again. Okay. All right, you decide, you know what? Let's keep it real. I'm going to get the OG of all mics. I'm going to get the greatest YouTube mic of all time. I'm going to get the Blue Yeti.
Silly rabbit.
Tricks are for kids. Okay, you finally come to your senses and you decide, okay, hey, all right, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the hottest microphone on the market right now. I'm going to get none other than the Samson Q9U. You see that? You see that beautiful piece of art right there? Guess what? You're still wrong.
Oh my God.
The only mic you need to buy today is the microphone that I'm using and you're listening to right now, and that is the Samson Q2U. It's Vader time, baby. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's going on, party people? Thanks for tuning in to another video. For those of you who are watching for the first time, my name is Walter Jennette. I am the founder and creative director of Create, Inspire, and Solve. And on this channel, you can expect to find inspiration and solutions that are going to help you build a better brand, that are going to help you grow your business, and also help you create a community around the things that you're most passionate about. So again, if this is your first time watching, I just wanted to say thank you. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and click that bell notification so you can be informed every single time I post new content to the channel. But let's get into today's discussion. I know you were excited to see a smiley face in a video about the Samson Q9U, and this is not the video where I'm gonna do my complete review. I just can't do it yet. And you're gonna understand when I actually post that video. I like it. I really like the mic, and I think it's something that I can grow to love. But I'm still not ready to make that jump. I'm still gonna stay on this train if I gotta be on this train by myself. The best microphone that you can buy, whether it's budget, whether you're trying to level up, whether you're a professional, is the Samson Q2U. Now, those of you who are not strangers to my channel, you've seen me talk about this mic over and over and over again repeatedly. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna throw a video up here in the info card talking about the microphone where I did more of a comprehensive for me, because this is not about specs. This is not about frequency ranges and all those different types of things and B-roll and all of that. But I did more of a comprehensive video on why you should buy the Samson Q2U, and I'm actually just really gonna reiterate that because I still see people asking a lot of questions about, yo, what's the best mic for podcasting? What's the best mic for YouTube? What's the best mic for live streaming? What's the best mic for content creation, period? And hands down, I stand by the fact that it's the Samson Q2U. Now, one of the reasons I bought the Samson Q9U with my own money, this is not sponsored, but hey, Samsung, consider me one of your Avengers. I'm your Captain America today. Because I'm fighting for you hands down. So if you want to add me on payroll, I'll gladly do that. But no, I bought the Samson Q9U, and one of the things I noticed just from the branding, that they're really going after that broadcast audio audience, that broadcast audio market. So for those of you who are probably heavily into podcasting, you may want to do some more things maybe that lean towards maybe radio and specifically audio based things. But let's be real, in my opinion, the Samson Q2U is not the sexiest looking mic, even though I think it's one of the best mics ever made. It's not the sexiest mic. And right now, everybody's kind of stuck on aesthetics, you know, especially when you're doing video. You want your videos to look great. So you don't just want to sound like you know what you're talking about. You want to look like it just because you have the greatest gear. It's not really supposed to go that way. You'll catch that when you get home. But yeah, the Samson Q9U is beautiful. It's a beauty. I love the way it looks. You know, it has the look of a broadcast microphone, especially if you're trying to compare it to the SM7B or the the SM7V, the SMV7. I don't even know. I just screwed up the whole name of Shure's microphones. That's probably why I don't buy them. And those are great microphones. They're great. I think they're a little overpriced, but they are great microphones. And I think that's what Samson was going after. Samson, I got to be honest with you, just being 100%, you know, honest as I always am. I think you guys went a little bit overboard in trying to keep up with the Joneses and trying to keep up with Shure and what they were doing with the SM7B and the MV7. I think that's what the Shure MZ is. Just forget the name. It's pretty forgettable. But the baby SM7B, that's what we're going to call it. Because, you know, right out of the gate, it's a little muddier than I would like it to be. It's heavy on the low end. Out of the box, it might be deeper on the low end. It might have more bass than the actual Shure, you know, SM7B. And the thing is, they include, like, you know, the mid boost to kind of boost your presence, to add a little bit more clarity, and some bass roll off and some things like that. Those are some things that I actually prefer to do in post. I really don't like the mic control in that because I like to make tweaks to get things to sound the way that I want it to sound. Those of you who aren't audio engineers, that may be better suited for you to try to get that sound. But even still, it's like a big extreme. It goes from like, whoa, like, you know how deep the SM7B is. It goes from like Darth Vader to like ting ting to ting ting ting. So there's no real good middle ground, and so there's a lot left to be desired. Definitely can be EQ'd to sound better. But like I said, stay tuned for that video. You know, like I said, we're going to do a much more specific review on that. But I just wanted to really give love to the Samson Q2U. It is still the undefeated champion. You cannot, I'll tell anybody, I don't care, you cannot find a mic when we talk about value, when we talk about functionality, and when we talk about overall sound quality that's going to compare and outduel the Samson Q2U. Number one, at the time you're watching this, I don't know the price off the top of my head because this is not scripted, but I think the mic is like $69 right now. It's still $70 less. I think I bought mine for like $59.99. I think it's like $70. That's number one. You can't beat that price. With the Shure SM7B, you still got to buy like a cloud lift or preamp, something like that. So you're probably like $500 in. With this, at the most, you may want to buy like a boom arm, another pop filter, or a stand for it to go on. So at the least, we're talking $100 or less. Okay, you can buy 5 SM7Bs for that, 4 SM7Bs, you know, at the least. That's number one. Number two, we're talking about the functionality. This is not only an XLR microphone, but it's also a USB microphone. All right, so I can run XLR like I'm doing right now, running into the Rodecaster Pro. I can also run USB if I wanted to record directly in my computer. I can also run this directly into my iPhone or my iPad. I'm not talking about Android. People will pay for you later, but if you have an iPhone or iPad and you want to get started podcasting, recording videos, we can do that as well. It also has a headphone output where I can directly monitor that. Does the Samson Q9U have all of that? Yes, it does. Like I said, I think they were just literally trying to go at Shure's neck, and they did an okay job. It looks a whole lot sexier, but I'm like, we could have kind of stuck to this, you know. And then number three, the reason I love the Samson Q2U is the sound quality. It is a dynamic microphone, which is the main type of microphone that I recommend anybody get in any setting, especially when you're doing podcasting or something like that and you're not in a controlled space. If you're in a studio, condenser microphones, they work great. Something like the Blue Yeti condenser microphones, they sound great in those spaces. But right now there's somebody outside my apartment that's actually cutting the grass, and so you can't really hear it because of the dynamic microphone. All of the audio is actually being captured directly into the mic, and it's doing a great job at rejecting the room noise. And in my office space, it's not the worst space, but it's not the best space either when it comes to sound treatment. So again, what you're hearing right now is the raw audio, just with some dB boost, probably about 6 dB coming out the Rodecaster Pro, no processing whatsoever. And that's what you get. So number one, you're going to get the best value. You're going to get the best price. Number two, you're going to get the best functionality quality, and number 3, you're gonna get the best overall sound. Now you show me a mic that can top all 3 of those things. I'll wait. And I'm not gonna wait because I know you can't find it. Samson Q2U. So again, that video on the Q9U is gonna be coming soon. Probably gonna be coming this week. But like I said, Q2U, I love you, Samson. I love you. Let's go back. Let's go back to this. Whatever you guys did with this mic, let's make a Q10 and do it based on this. I don't like odd numbers anyway, so this is the opportunity for you to redo it. Q10, whatever you did with the Q2U, put that in a Q10U. Make it look like the Q9U because it is a great looking mic, but just make sure it has the sound quality of the Q2U. All right, I hope I was able to provide you guys enough value for you to go ahead and pull the trigger and make that purchase today of the Samson Q2U. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the bell notification so you can be informed every single time I post new content to the channel. But until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, so for those of you who don't know what VEDA is video every day in April, okay? All right, that's what we're actually doing, especially for you. We're dropping a video every single day in April, and I'm getting quieter and quieter because I don't want you to tell anybody, okay? All right, every single day we're dropping a video for you, but in the meantime, I want you to watch these other videos that are on the screen right now, okay? All right, y'all be easy.